Everyone, welcome back to Christy TV. Just in, late Osinachi's husband has been ordered to die by hanging. Osinachi, who passed away in April 2022 after allegedly being beaten by her husband, known as Peter Nwachukwu. Now, the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Wuse Zone 2, Abuja, has sentenced Peter Nwachukwu, the husband of late gospel singer Osinachi, to death by hanging after finding him guilty of culpable homicide in connection with her death on April 8, 2022. The court pronounced the sentence on Monday during a ruling delivered by Justice Nwosu Iheme after the court had held that the prosecution had proven the burden of proof placed on it by the law and subsequently found the defendants guilty. Osinachi passed away in April 2022 after allegedly being beaten by her husband, Peter Nwachukwu. While initial reports claimed she died from cancer, testimonies from family, church members, and neighbors revealed that she was a victim of domestic violence. Witnesses stated that Nwachukwu kicked her in the chest prior to her death. This led to Nwachukwu's arrest and he was arraigned on June 12, 2022 by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, OAGF, representing the federal government. He faced a 23-count charge including culpable homicide punishable by death, criminal intimidation, cruelty to children, spousal battery, and other offenses. During the trial, the prosecution presented 17 witnesses, including Osinachi's 2 children, and testified as prosecution witnesses. Additionally, 25 documents were submitted as evidence. Nwachukwu testified in his defense, calling for witnesses and presenting 4 exhibits before sentencing. Now, before sentencing, Nwachukwu's counsel, known as Regina Adewale, pleaded for leniency, while the prosecuting counsel, Mrs. Aderonke Imala, urged the court to enforce the law. Justice Nwosu Iheme sentenced Nwachukwu to death by hanging on count 1. For other charges, he received varying sentences, including 2 years imprisonment on several counts, 6 months on one count, and a fine of 500,000 naira and 200,000 naira on others. You see, in this case, anyone who takes a life does not deserve to live. However, in this situation of this Nwachukwu, did the judge equally consider the life of the children? I don't understand, because although I am not a lawyer, but at least are the children consulted because of this? Because I think that the children should be at the age of, a certain age that they should know what is good for them, what is not good for them. We know that nobody is praying for their parents to kill one of their parents, but since this case have happened, at least, do we want those children to be orphans? That is a question. Don't die in marriage and be kind to your partner. This news comes with mixed feelings. I must be frank with you. Chai, will he appeal? I don't understand if actually this appeal will be accepted or ignored. Death by hanging as a result of domestic violence. I keep saying it. When it becomes so, when it becomes domestic, when it becomes toxic, kindly move away and walk away for the sake of your darling life. No marriage is worth your life. No enjoyment is worth your life. You must be alive for you to be able to enjoy your marriage. Dead people are not involved in marital stuffs. Dead people are not getting married, except people that are alive. Marriage is meant for people that are alive and not for the dead ones. Imagine Osinachi is gone and the man is still suffering. So instead of you to become a murderer, it is better you just in fact, it is better you just cut off the marriage for your life and for your own safety. Ever since the wife died, this man has never had a single rest of mind because of a toxic marriage, which led him to be a murderer. And the wife is no longer there. She saw all the red flags, but she insisted on staying on the marriage. And now she is no more here on earth with us. She is gone and gone forever. So young ladies out there, women out there, when it becomes toxic, men, when it becomes toxic, kindly walk away with your life. No marriage is worth your life. Even Bible approved divorce. Provided you have evidences of adultery, you have evidences of things that warrant you to divorce your wife or your husband, divorce them for the sake of your darling life. Don't say you are not informed. Stay tuned for more updates. Feel free to drop a bit in the comment section, and if you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you always get notified whenever we post our latest content. Christy TV got you covered. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to drop a bit in the comment section.